Income and Expense Google Sheets Template. Optimize your financial control with the Income and Expense Google Sheets template, a professional, visual, and editable spreadsheet designed to simplify your personal or business financial management. This template has been crafted to help you record, analyze, and visualize your financial movements clearly and automatically, without the need for technical skills or complex formulas. It is the perfect cloud-based financial control system for multiple users and digital spreadsheet enthusiasts. Template modules. Settings. Configure unlimited income and expense categories tailored to your specific needs. This flexibility allows you to adapt the template for personal finance, small businesses, startups, or freelance work, ensuring precise and organized classification from day one. Unlimited income tracking. Record all your monthly income without restrictions. The structure is designed to capture every detail, allowing you to maintain a complete and organized financial history within a clear, user-friendly spreadsheet. Monthly expense tracking. Control your spending with an efficient, unrestricted system. Ideal for users with multiple expense sources, this section helps you detect money leaks and improve financial decision-making. It includes a dedicated table for recording categories and monthly amounts. Financial dashboard. Visualize your financial health in seconds. The dynamic dashboard automatically generates total income, total expenses, net results, monthly averages, and top spending categories. Everything is presented through clear, professional charts that transform complex data into actionable insights. Our Income and Expense Google Sheets template provides control, clarity, and professionalism in one place. Start organizing your finances today, optimize your cash flow, and make decisions with confidence. Download your Google Sheets version now and make your money work for you.
Template available from Solus Enterprises. Visit our site at solusenterprisesstore.com.